Hello, today we will guide you through how to change the install location for Adobe Creative Cloud. Start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This is the control center for installing and updating all your Adobe applications. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the window for your account icon. It may show your profile picture or just your initials. Click that account icon to open its menu, then click Preferences. Preferences is where you manage how Creative Cloud behaves on your device, including where new apps will be installed. In the Preferences window, select the Apps section in the left sidebar. The Apps tab contains installation and update options. Here, find the setting labeled Default Install Location or simply Default Location and click it. This tells Creative Cloud that you want to choose a different place for future app installations. A folder selection window will appear. Navigate to the drive and folder you want to use. In this demonstration, a sample folder is selected, but you can choose any folder that fits your storage plan. Before confirming, consider a few best practices. Pick a drive with ample free space, since apps like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects can be quite large. For reliability, use a local internal drive or an external drive that stays consistently connected. If you use an external disk, keep it attached whenever you install or update apps to avoid errors. Also, make sure you have permission to write to the chosen folder, especially on work or managed devices. When you've highlighted the folder, click Select Folder. On some systems, the button may read Choose, but it works the same way. You'll return to the Preferences window, where the new path will be displayed. To apply the change, click Done. From now on, Creative Cloud will install new applications to the location you selected. Existing applications won't move automatically. They remain where they're currently installed. If you want an existing app in the new location, uninstall it first and then install it again after this change. This setting is easy to revise later, so if you ever need to switch drives or reorganize storage, just return to Preferences, open the Apps section, adjust the default location, and click Done again. You've now set a new default install location in Adobe Creative Cloud. This simple adjustment helps free up space on your primary drive and keeps your software organized exactly where you want it. Thanks for following along, and enjoy a smoother, more flexible setup for your Adobe apps.